By the name only you can see that in today's video I'm going to share the ceramic planters, one of the most important thing for the home decor, and whoever loves to decor their home or for the interior, they can easily take these things. I'll tell you the prices also. Here you can see every size of the planters almost with the flower vases. Here you can see the bigger and the medium one. They are having a huge variety of these planters, and here you can see small planters, that is owl is here, the cute elephant is over there, and they are having some bonsai planters too, and there is a tortoise, though I don't like that, but still these Buddha planters are very much famous. I think everybody has seen that, and this cup one is also very famous. Whatever the prices that I will share, I'll discuss it later on. First of all, you should know the variety, how much the varieties they have. They have this Tulsi Mancha, in Bengali known as the Tulsi Mancha. I really don't know what it called in English or maybe Hindi. They generally worship the Tulsi plant there. In our house also there is one this type of Tulsi Manch kind of a thing. If you want, you can buy it single, or if you want, you can just pair it up, or you can just buy the combo. For the pricing thing, what I need to tell you that they will quote some price, but you have to bargain. You people have to bargain, or otherwise you won't be able to have that. In Kolkata, the ceramic planters or any spot for this one or any shops are not that much available. So I was just passing by this shop and I found it, and I thought to share with you all so that you people can also decor your home as per your choice. This particular roadside shop is located just near Chinar Park. I hope you people know, whoever is from Kolkata, they have to know, and after that I will tell you about the prices. Here you can see the vases. It costs you around 750 with the stand, and the small bowl kind of a planter, that is the smaller one, it costs you around 200 to 250, but you have to bargain. And these glass shaped planters I love. They will again quote you around 200, but you have to bargain. You can have it maybe within 150 or 180. You can see the sizes. They are actually very pretty, and they are having some huge collection, you can say, collection or print, whatever you can say. These are the big tub, 350 400 they will quote you, but you have to again bargain. This one I loved. I have already told you the price. They will quote you around 250, but you have to bargain obviously, otherwise you can't have that much planter within a very good amount. The duck one, that is, maybe it looks like a smaller one, but it is huge in size. It has that capacity. That duck one will cost you around 500, and the smaller one that I have just hold, that will cost you around 120 150, but you have to bargain. Again and again I'm repeating this thing because yes, you have to bargain, there is no other option. Quickly you can just see the prints that I have told you. All the colors are very eye soothing, and the whole texture is very nice. This white black print is very much common, so I will tell you to take the colorful one so it will look prettier. And in the next slide maybe you can see the prices. Here are the prices.